Power Etrade is Etrade's advanced trading platform designed for active traders and investors seeking enhanced tools and features. Here's a guide to using Power Etrade effectively. Log into your account. Visit Etrade's website or open the Power Etrade app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Access Power Etrade. Once logged in, navigate to the Power Etrade platform. This can be accessed through the main dashboard or directly via Power Etrade. Explore the interface. Dashboard. Customize your dashboard with widgets for real-time data, news and market summaries. Trade ticket. Use the trade ticket to place orders with advanced options like limit, market and stop orders. Use advanced charting tools. Charts. Analyze market trends using interactive charts with technical indicators, drawing tools and multiple chart types. Screeners. Use stock and options screeners to filter and find securities based on specific criteria. Monitor and manage orders. Order entry. Place trades directly from the chart or trade ticket. Order management. Track and manage your open orders and view order history. Utilize research and analysis tools. Research. Access detailed research reports, analyst ratings, and market news. Education. Explore educational resources and training strategies. Customize your experience. Layouts. Personalize your workspace layout and save your preferences for future use.